he cut her head off? No, she broke her neck.
I think it's just, he was obviously in the military. It's just,
Yeah. Oh, when you said that pain in my leg again. Oh. Did you have an injured leg? Is your leg injured? Yeah.
Did you fight in the war?